Ever spend 10 minutes wiping your mirrors only to step back and see a million annoying streaks? You know, that frustrating film that just won't disappear no matter how much elbow grease you use? Well look, trying to find the absolute best glass cleaner liquid can feel like a total headache. But this exact video is made to end your confusion and help you choose your ideal product right away. Product number 1, Method All-Purpose Cleaner Spray. Stop scrolling right now, because product number 1 on our list is an absolute game changer for your cleaning routine. Wow, if you hate harsh chemical smells as much as I do, you need to check out the Method All-Purpose Cleaner Spray in French Lavender. Honestly, this 28 fluid ounce bottle has completely transformed the way I wipe down my counters. Look, you just spray it and wipe, and the plant-based power cuts right through grease and grime without leaving any nasty residue behind. Trust me, the scent is incredible. It actually smells like fresh French lavender fields instead of a sterile laboratory. Plus, the ergonomically designed nozzle makes cleaning your kitchen and bathroom effortless on your hands. It is tough on dirt, yet completely safe for most hard surfaces in your home. I am obsessed, and I know you will be too. Do yourself a huge favor and click the link in the description right down below to grab the best active discounts available today. Product number 2, Kleenex REPEL Glass and Surface Cleaner 32. Now, if you loved how the Method spray handled your everyday wiping, you are going to fall head over heels for what I have next. Look, I all know the absolute nightmare of cleaning glass, mirrors, and tile, only for water spots and grime to return the very next day. Honestly, it drives me a little crazy. That is why I am so excited to talk about the Kleenex REPEL Glass and Surface Cleaner, brought to us by Anelco. This is a massive 32 fluid ounce bottle, and trust me, it is a total game changer. It does not just clean, it actually repels water spots and dirt on contact, meaning your surfaces stay cleaner for way longer. Wow, right? No more endless scrubbing, and no more cloudy bathroom mirrors after a hot shower. Whether you are tackling glass shower doors, shiny tiles, or multi-surface areas around the house, this creates an invisible barrier that completely blocks out hard water minerals and grime. It is honestly magic in a bottle, and you need to try it out. To grab yours right now, just click the link in the description below for the best active discounts today. Product number 3, Upgraded KUNPHY Jewelry Cleaner. Now, if keeping your glass sparkling clean with that Kleenex REPEL spray felt satisfying, wait until you see what I am diving into next, because honestly, taking care of your favorite pieces just got a whole lot easier. Today, I am looking at the upgraded KUNPHY Jewelry Cleaner, and wow, what a game changer this professional jewelry cleaner solution turns out to be. Look, over time, our daily wear and tear leaves rings and necklaces looking kind of dull, right? But this specialized formula cuts right through grime, oils, and everyday buildup without any harsh scrubbing. Trust me, watching your diamonds and precious metals transform back to that brilliant, fresh out of the store shine in minutes is genuinely thrilling. It is super simple to use at home, saving you those expensive trips to the jeweler. Whether you are prepping for a big night out or just want your everyday accessories to catch the light the way they used to, this little bottle is an absolute must-have in your routine. To grab yours, make sure to check the link in the description down below for the best active discounts today. Product number 4, Method Mint Glass and Surface Cleaner. Now that your jewelry is blindingly sparkly, let us talk about keeping the rest of your home just as dazzling, starting with your windows and mirrors. Honestly, cleaning glass used to be my absolute least favorite chore, because every single spray left behind this annoying, hazy film, until I found the Method Mint Glass and Surface Cleaner, 28 fluid ounces of pure cleaning magic. Wow, let me tell you, this stuff is an absolute game changer. Look, you just spray it on, and right away, your entire room fills up with this insanely fresh, crisp mint scent instead of that awful, toxic chemical odor that makes you want to cough for an hour. Trust me, it cuts right through fingerprints, dust, and smudges with zero elbow grease required, leaving you with a totally streak-free, crystal clear shine every single time. It is plant-based, it actually works, and honestly, cleaning has never smelled this good. If you want to upgrade your cleaning routine and make your surfaces pop, do yourself a huge favor and check the link in the description below for the best active discounts available today. Product number 5. Clorox Foaming Glass Cleaner Trigger Spray. So, after testing that method spray, I am moving straight into heavy-duty territory with the Clorox Foaming Glass Cleaner Trigger Spray in the classic fresh scent, housed in a generous 23-ounce bottle. Honestly, if you deal with stubborn grease, smudges, or kids' sticky handprints, you need to hear this. Wow, what a difference a foam makes. Look, unlike watery sprays that instantly run down your windows and leave annoying streaks everywhere, this formula clings. It actually stays right where you spray it, dissolving grime on contact. Trust me, wiping down your mirrors and glass doors has never been this satisfying or fast. The fresh scent isn't overpowering either, leaving just a clean aroma behind instead of that harsh chemical punch. It cuts through bathroom film and kitchen grease like an absolute dream. If you want to upgrade your cleaning routine today, do yourself a massive favor and check the link in the description below for the absolute best active discounts available right now. That wraps up our comprehensive list for today. I hope this guide helped you find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for updated pricing. And I will see you in the very next video.